Hello everyone! For the past few weeks I've been working on a project to build a small, remotely controlled night vision surveillance camera. I built it with my limited experience in electronics and 3D printing, and over several videos I show you each step of the process. From the first prototype on a perboard to rebuilding the components into a much smaller and more compact form, and finally designing and 3D printing a custom case for the camera. Now, to officially finish this project, I want to share the final testing with you, to see how the camera performs, whether the night vision really works, and how well it streams video. So, let's get started. To see how the camera performs, we first need to turn it on. Then, using the controller menu, we select the option to start the video stream. After that, we connect our phone to the Wi-Fi network created by the camera. Once connected, we type the camera's IP address, which is shown on OLED display, into a web browser. And after that, we should see the live video feed on the phone. As you can see, everything is working as intended and the camera is successfully broadcasting the footage. However, you may notice that the video stream appears upside down, and I'm not entirely sure why this is happening. The code is very similar to the one I used for my first prototype, so I'm not sure whether the issue is related to the code or the new lens. I will simply rotated my phone so the video stream appears in the right orientation. So now that I know the camera is working properly, it's time to test the night vision. First, I turn on the lights. Then, through the menu, I switch the infrared LEDs on. As soon as the infrared LEDs turn on, the camera immediately starts capturing a clear image even in a complete darkness. And it works really well. The footage is clear and I was honestly surprised because it turned out even better than I expected. Seeing the night vision in action is really cool. Overall, I would say this project is a success and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So that's it for this video. I'm really happy that I was able to finish this project and that it turned out even better than I expected. I hope you found it interesting and enjoy following the process. I also want to say thank you for all the support on this project. It brought quite a new subscribers to the channel and the comments were very positive, which really means a lot to me. Thank you all for watching, commenting and subscribing. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.